Alright, good afternoon. I am yet again filming this in the afternoon because I don't feel like filming it in the night, even though the title is late night coding. But yeah. Okay, so what we're doing today is, in theory, simple, but as usual, it won't be simple. So I've been setting up everything for deployment, and I've set up the front end, the back end, and NGINX or NGINX. Uh, but the issue that I'm having is that the front end is being a pain when it comes to getting images. I think I know why, but just to show you, this is what's happening, and what should be happening is there should be an actual default thumbnail loading here, but that's not happening. So I think this is an issue with NGINX because I was doing some custom rejects for the routes, and I think it was not very happy with me, or not very, not very happy with me. I think I was just doing something a bit wrong, but yeah. Okay, so this is the thumbnail that we should be getting from the front end, and then this is just the default thumbnail. You can see no thumbnail. And then all of these are fine. Those work properly. There shouldn't actually be anything. Um, there should be anything for those thumbnails because they're not loaded in on the back end. But if I go to localhost 1037 admin, uh, oh no, did I break something with the CSS here? Okay, well, that figures. Yes, okay, so I definitely broke something with CSS here. I'm not sure what though. Um, okay, that's weird because I thought I had. Am I not running the correct NGINX config? I thought it was. This should be everything for assets, not including static. And then there's that, which is for development. But right now we're in the prod environment, so yeah, everything should be working fine. But I thought the admin was, or the admin's CSS was working okay, because what my rechecks here should do is get everything for assets, but not anything for static. But I don't think it's doing that. So I'm going to start with the original issue of just getting the images delivered correctly, and then we'll move over to this issue with the admin. So let's see. Let's start here. We don't need this. We don't need that. Hopefully not. We hopefully don't need that. We hope we don't need that. And then let me look at the general setup of front end. I'm just gonna go to package.json and then hop into a netrw thing. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't think I'm pretty sure that no thumbnail uh by AI is not in assets, even though it's trying to be gotten from assets. Oh, no, there is. Yeah, no, that is in there. Okay, let me go. Let me try this. Let me go to code, web dev, no AI blog, and deselect everything because I accidentally reselected everything. Front end, distribution, that loads correctly, but the one up here also loads correctly. I'm not sure why. Yeah, I'm just not sure why there are two different ones, but both of those should be correct in theory. Anyways, going back to this, ideally, okay, so this should get everything. So, okay, this should get everything for the front end. If it's, yeah, this is weird, because, okay, so this should get all of the assets for the front end. It does, and then this redirects to just the bare bones front end, which we do with rewrite and proxy pass to the front end upstream. And that works in theory, but not in practice, obviously. Uh, because yeah, we can get assets, and this is correct. We get assets, and then the index CSS file, and then the JS file, and that all works great. But then when it comes time to uh, actually get the PNG, it doesn't seem to work for some reason, and I'm not sure why. Because I think yeah, like yeah, that should be the correct file name for it. And I checked in a file manager just to make sure that the file itself like isn't corrupted or something, and it's not. Um, but I'm not sure why that's not loading. And the admin CSS not loading is also very weird because I thought I had fixed that, but I might have excluded. I might have forgotten about something and just and then not tested it, so I'm not sure. But yeah, taking a look at this is what I would like to figure out right now because everything in here should just show that default thumbnail image that you saw about 2 minutes ago, but it's not. So, okay, firstly, the root itself slash assets, and no thumbnail by AI dash castle n2g1 castle n2g1.png is correct. We have slash assets, and that all looks fine to me, but it's not happy about that for some reason. I'm not sure why. So, okay, first thing I'd like to try, I'm going to have to navigate through this with no CSS, which actually wasn't that bad, apparently. I'm just gonna upload a picture of my cat because yes. And we'll save it. Ideally, this should, yeah, there we go. Now it loads the thumbnail, even though it's a very stretched picture of my cat and looks kind of weird. It works fine, um, which is nice. So, okay, so getting it from the back end works all right, and that makes sense because it's going to the back end, not the front end, uh, through media. But again, none of the images from the front end are loading. I'm wondering if I have to do something special with that, with serve. I'm not sure. But let's see, the other thing that I just noticed is that the little favicon icon up there does not seem to be loading. So let me look around. No, it says it's loading. It just isn't loading. Um, Let me look in the inspector and I can probably see, there we go, this. Let's see if I can, actually, no, that won't redirect me to the correct spot. I think it'll just redirect me to, yeah, no, yeah, it'll just throw me there. Um, okay, so that's also, well, okay, it says it's a 200, which means that it is, that it returned correctly, but I don't think that it did. It's not cached as far as I can tell, but yeah, it just does not seem to want to load. Let me make sure it's not just because I'm not going here and then no, okay, it doesn't have anything to do with that. Um, what was it mad about there? That's odd. Okay, well, I'm gonna ignore that for now. Um, but yeah, that is weird to be frank. Okay, so now that we have that, I guess maybe it's an issue with the front end. Um, write build serve images. How to make Vite build server serve images. Maybe that? I doubt it. Yeah, here, documentation, that'd be nice. Serve is what I'm using to um, serve images. I'm wondering if there's an issue with that. Okay, so importing, yeah, so we can just import the static asset. I'm gonna set it to the URL, like source, and it'll become assets, whatever. It'll become assets, whatever, in the production build, and that makes sense. So that what I'm wondering now is if it's an issue with NGINX, but I don't know why it would be because getting index.js works fine, just not getting the thumbnail. So yeah, let me like throw this into a regex, whatever it's called. You guys know what it's called. That thingy, tester, whatever. You'll see in just a second. Regex 1.1. Yeah, tester. We'll call it that. Okay, so like assets slash myfile.css. Oh, that doesn't get picked up. Oh, that's did I mistype something or misspell something? Would have to have. Hold on. Oh, there has to be a space there. Oh, that's odd. Is that something that's specific to Nginx and there's a reason that there's a space there? Or do I not want that space there? Because then yeah, like this gets everything now. If we have like, I don't know, assets slash no thumbnail JPEG. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I just realized why. Hold on. It is because we're not including PNG, and that is a PNG file. I can almost guarantee you that that is why it's not working. Okay, let me rebuild the container. I still don't know why there's a space there, but in the original rejects that I got from the NGINX documentation itself, or I think that's where I got it from, that's what it was using. So I was like, okay, whatever. Okay, let me try this. Let's hope for it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that was why. Awesome. Um, okay, this is the other thing about this. I don't know why it's not working. Going to the actual blog post page still renders a no thumbnail image, but I'm not sure why, because it should, in theory, and yeah, I'm just not sure why. And the favicon is also not being gotten. I think that's another issue with Nginx. Um, but yeah, okay, let me look at where this. Well, actually, hold on. I think I think this might be an issue with the logic in the thumbnail component. I don't I don't say that matter of factly. I just say that because I think it might be. Because I don't. Yeah, let me look at the thumbnail component real quick before I decide on anything else. Don't need that. Okay, so we get a URL, and by default, we say it's true. But if the URL is null, then we simply set the thumbnail to false, and let's see. This is a little bit hard to read. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just wondering if the URL is never is either null or there's something else wrong with it that makes it not work properly. But I'm not sure why that would be the case on the front end, or sorry, not on the front end, but on the feed and not here. Like test with no thumbnail, as you can see, pretty obviously works fine here. But then going into here it doesn't work properly. So let me look and see. I wonder if it's an issue with my API then. Not here. I want to look in the console and just see what getting the feed returns. It should be okay. So we're looking for test with no thumbnail. It should be near the bottom here. And let's see. Um, Here we just have, yep, the route to that, and I believe, if I'm not going crazy, but I am probably going crazy. It happens sometimes. I'm fine with it. I should be able to go here, slash, nope, not that slash. And that returns the image, which is a picture of my very cute cat. Um, that works fine. So let me go here. I wonder if this itself is returning something incorrectly. It's not. It's returning the exact same thing as up there. So this is why I think it's some sort of logic issue somewhere. Again, a little bit weird, but I'm sure we can solve it. Uh, and by the way, I'm just gonna test a few things since I'm here because I'm paranoid. Okay, everything works fine. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just crazy paranoid. But it happens. Oh, actually, hold on. The other thing that I want to test real quick is profile picture. Uh, or upload my cat as a profile picture. Save. Where everything was saved properly, and then we have my cat as my profile picture. Yay! Okay, going back to my dashboard, and actually no, going to my feed. We have test with no thumbnail, and yep, here's who made the post. But again, this is still not working properly. So yeah, I wonder. Okay, so that works fine. I'm guessing that it is some sort of just logic issue. Let me start by. I guess we'll just console log the thumbnail, or the URL. Sorry. Um, let, let's just see if there's an issue there. We do have to rebuild the entire container. Sorry. And it's gonna have to completely rebuild the front end, which actually, in theory, shouldn't take that long. But you know. Okay, but once it rebuilds, we'll just check the console and see what shows up there. If there is something, that is weird, or if it's null or something, then we'll know it's an issue there. But I just want to go and clarify that it either is or isn't this. Yep, it's undefined. Okay. In that case, why is it undefined? Well, let's see. Let me see where the correct get request is. I think it's this get blog post. What was the request again? Yep, that looks like the right request. Okay, so the thumbnail is that. Okay, so let me go to the post.jsx file. Let's go down to the if I can spell correctly. Yeah, so data thumbnail should not be null. Oh, that's it. I'm very sure that that is the source of my issue. It was that it was source, not URL, and because I have the parameter on thumbnail is named URL, not source. Yeah, let me rebuild the container again, and we'll test that. And hopefully that is yeah, hopefully that's why I'm having that issue. And I think that would be that's probably poor naming on my part. I think I should probably go and change that at some point, but for now, I'm really just trying to get this thing deployed while I do scholarships and school and tutoring and all, life. Okay, cross your fingers. Let's go. Okay, it works fine. All right. In that case, that is a successful issue completed. Thank you for watching this long. If you did watch it this long, bye bye.